So now let's see how we can work around with interpolation inside of Blender. So to do that, I'm just going to go around and bring this box on to the top right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go around and then add in keyframes to this. I'm going to enable auto keying right here, move this up so that I have my keyframe over here on frame 1. And then around in frame 20, I want this to come down just like this. So I'm just going to go around right here and right around over here, I'm just going to bring this down. So I have this sort of an animation where my cube comes from top to bottom. So right now, if I were to go around into the graph view, I can go around over here onto the graph editor. Then this is what I have, as you can see. So you got the easing in and easing out right here, just like this. Let me just go around right here and then drag it in, control it in right here, just like this. If I want to change around the interpolation of this animation, I can select this, right click right here in the interpolation mode. You can see that I can select different interpolations. So I can select constant right here. So that gives more like a constant, like a frame skip, right? A whole keyframe effect right here. So you got straight ahead and then it goes drop back right here. If I were to right click right here, go around into the interpolation mode, you can also go around into linear. So there is no ease in and ease out whatsoever. You can also go around over here onto and go for Bezier mode so that there's a bit of acceleration in and out. Similarly, you can go for sinusoidal type of motion right here where it goes out and stops right there, as you can see. And similarly, you can go for a cubic right here where it falls down and stops right there with no bounce, as you can see. You can also go around it, and if you want a bounce effect, you can go around into bounce. So it's more like a bouncing effect right here, as you can see. Or you can also go for elastic so that it actually goes around and stays in place right here, just like this. You can go around over here onto interpolation mode, and if I were to go to back, then what happens is that it just goes around and then bounce off and stays in place like that. And that is how you can work around with different interpolation mode for different sort of animation inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.